Hey guys, wanted to post this video update on a trade that I opened on Coinbase Perpetuals. Bitcoin just dipped below its 50-day moving average. So I'm here on TradingView. I'll give you guys a game real quick and then we'll wrap things up. Talking a little bit more about where I think Bitcoin could head over the next couple of weeks, couple of months. So, man, right now Bitcoin's dumping a bit, but I'm here TradingView. I've got the 50, 100, 200-day moving average. Bitcoin's been pretty consistent, I think, with the 50-day. Okay, the last couple of times it tapped below it, the price recovered. So here, back in June, there was a dip below in late June, again, recovered. Tapped the 50-day again in July, and then tapped the 50-day again in early August. So entered like a long trade here. I'm still bullish on Bitcoin in August. I just think post-halving year in August, Bitcoin just tends to do well historically. Obviously, not guaranteed this cycle, but there's definitely, I think, a little bit of anticipation for a couple of things, especially like a Fed rate cut in September, right? Obviously, Fed Chair Jerome Powell is going to be talking about interest rates and things like that. And his Jackson Hole speech, which will be happening on Friday of the week of the 18th. So the actual date would be, I guess it would be like the 22nd of August. Yeah. So we're gonna know more about that too. But I'm definitely bullish, and especially because we can just look at the monthly chart historically for Bitcoin. You see that the last two post-halving years, you see Bitcoin was up 13% that August and 65%. Okay, and then even in 2013, it's up 30%. So it's always green that August. So this would be kind of weird if Bitcoin flipped red on the August. That'd be the first time in history. So far it's flipped red, so here we are in August. Bitcoin's red, not slightly red, not by a lot, only by a couple $100. So what I did is I opened up trade on Coinbase Perpetuals. We're going to be talking a little bit more about this in this video because it's a completely new product from Coinbase. Okay, they allow you to basically open a long-term, like not super forever, for 5 years. It's like a 5-year call option. Okay, called perpetual futures, right? So this is a new product. So I believe they launched this product in July 2022. There it is. So for you guys in the United States, okay, so the product launched in July 2021. So, yep. So it's a brand new product. It hasn't even been around for a month since I've posted this. So basically with perpetuals, you're able to trade, okay, and go long Bitcoin with leverage. So you can have up to 10x leverage, okay. So that's useful. So for example, like let's say you wanted to, have control or like the leverage of one Bitcoin, but you don't have enough money to buy one Bitcoin. What you could do is, instead of buying $115,000 worth of Bitcoin at spot price as of this video, you could put just 1/10 of that. Okay, you could just invest 1/10 of that, and then you would control the same amount of Bitcoin, but you could get liquidated. Okay. So, it's something we're going to be talking about later, okay? You have to have a Coinbase account to do this, so you guys can sign up. For you guys in the States, you guys can sign up for Coinbase. Coinbase, I think it's also available in the UK as well for futures, okay? But anyway, you can either, or you can just go long, okay? You could be going long spot, right? Anyway, so yeah, so there's this, we're still waiting for this explosive, probably potential, those post-halving years in October. And September has usually been down, so But that October should be explosive. So the last three posts having here is 60%, 47%, and 39%. So really interesting to see what we do here. But seeing that Bitcoin's trading here right near its 50-day, I'm going to be I'm going to be trying to take profits on this trade probably at the end of August. Okay, at the end of August. It's not financial advice, but I'm probably going to be selling most of my contracts, perpetual contracts on Coinbase and all these things. I'll be selling these probably at the end of the month. I'm not going to hold too much crypto other than obviously Bitcoin savings, obviously, in September. Probably just dump everything else. Get out. So September's historically been probably the worst month. Yeah, the median returns are the worst, -4%. So I don't like holding anything else other than Bitcoin. Probably holding a little bit of Litecoin, and then my staked Ethereum, but that's about it. So yeah, probably just wrap this video up. Just want to give you guys a quick technical update. I thought this was pretty interesting. Give you guys a heads up if you guys are thinking about opening a long trade, or you're worried that maybe Bitcoin was going to fall off a cliff, crash down to 100K or below. There's plenty of technical support at these levels. So like I said, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and check out some of my other longer videos, more in depth. We talk about Bitcoin and things like that. We'll talk more about Bitcoin trading. I'm going to give you guys a tutorial pretty soon on Coinbase, where you guys can open long for you guys in the States, and we'll check out some other apps as well. So see you guys in the next one.